You don't own your business, not the part that runs it anyway. Because on one ordinary Tuesday, you log into your admin dashboard and the thing you do every day is gone. Buttons moved, fields missing. Nobody asked you and nobody told you. I'm Vic Dorfman, the founder of MemberFix, and here's a real client example from just last month. BuddyBoss, arguably the biggest and most widely used community platform for WordPress, rebuilt its admin in React. To be fair, BuddyBoss was long overdue for an update to a faster, more modern framework. But look at the way that these updates were shipped. There was no beta. Version jumped from 2.21 straight to version 3.0. The announcement and the code shipped on the same day, and the update was immediately available and usable inside of WordPress. Consequently, many people hit the update button. Now, the update note said that there would be no migration necessary and no change to the settings. Your settings will carry over exactly the way that they were to the new React version. A few weeks later, the forums screens also got the React upgrades, and our client's morning turned into this. Access control fields, gone. Custom fields, hidden. Columns, filters, quick edit, all gone. And no button to switch back. BuddyBoss support confirmed that these were in fact real issues, and the official reply from BuddyBoss support was, add it as a feature request and upvote it, and we'll add it to the roadmap. What lessons can we take away from this scenario? Because to be fair to BuddyBoss, which is a great platform, this is not unique to them or to any particular vendor. First of all, better is the vendor's word, not necessarily yours. And what's better for another user of the same software may not be better for you and your members. In fact, the same change can be an update to the software and be a regression to your platform, which in reality is an interconnected network of various apps and services. And it's natural that every vendor is going to optimize for their product and for their users, and probably the largest number of users is going to take precedence over the edge cases. On the other hand, you are optimizing for your community, for your revenue, for your members, and you have your own needs and requirements. Brings us to lesson number 2. More beautiful is not necessarily better or more functional. Oftentimes, aesthetics ship to look like progress, but that's often superficial. It's not unimportant, but the functionality is what your business actually depends and runs on. Ugly and working beats beautiful but non-functioning. So here's exactly what happened. Morning BuddyBoss broke. Our client immediately contacted us. By that afternoon, my team had shipped a small reversible fix. Old screens came back, every filter, every custom field, and the client was free to continue on with their day. BuddyBoss's own changelog restored the compatibility some 2 months later, 50 days to be exact. In the meantime, our client needed a fix right away. And because we have quite a number of clients who run BuddyBoss, it was actually fortunate because we were able to find a solution to a problem that one of our clients noticed right away that we were able to then proactively bring to our other clients before they interacted with the same issues. Tools that your business runs on are going to keep changing whether we like it or not, and whether we're paying attention or not. And in a sense, the only choice that you get is whether you find out through the changelog, which you probably don't read, or a broken dashboard on a Tuesday. Or better yet, you adhere to the best practice of not updating things for a while after they're released. Don't hit that update button. Just don't do it. Wait. It's going to save you a lot of headaches and trouble. And if you're on BuddyBoss and this has already happened to you, the fix that my team built is free and available to you. It's a tiny MU plugin that restores the classic screens, is fully reversible, and makes no database changes. The link to the GitHub repo where you can download the plugin is in the description. Take it, enjoy, and I'll see you on the next video.